adjusted.
Okay.
Loosen jam nut.
Okay. What size wrench?
11/16.
Okay.
Loosen set screw.
Okay.
So I
What
guess I'm
size?
just gonna do. You already have that. I don't have any.
Okay. It's okay.
Very funny. Okay. Pull out Carter pin.
Okay.
Pull out clevis pin.
Drop clevis pin down there.
Just keep your eye on this, okay? Okay? Then, here,
Okay.
gonna go to gear 3.
Okay. There's fitting it in there.
Okay, that's gear 3.
Okay.
Gear 2.
Okay.
Gear 1. Go back to gear 2. Hold on. Okay. Gear 2.
Okay.
Okay. Put your ear on. Pin on. Carter pin back in. Then check it. Go to 1. Oh, okay, there's 1. Okay, 2, 3. There you have it. Then wait, then tighten nut on clevis. Tighten set screw. Finished. Okay? Pull the pin out.
Okay.
Pull the rod out. Okay? Then you raise the clevis up. You loosen. Can you see me? Loosen the set screw. Okay? Then, after you loosen the set screw, take your 11/16 and your 7/16, put it on the shift rod, and then loosen up the jam nut. Okay? Then raise up the shifter.
Okay.
And you can turn the shifter in either way, to adjust the shift on it.
Okay.
Now, if it's it just depends on has it loosened up backwards or forward. You can tell that by this. If it's backwards, you turn it 1 time clockwise. Put it back on, then shift your gears and try your transmission. You know, try if it grinds, then you may have to go the other way, and then put it back on. Check your shifter again.
Okay.
If it pops right into gear, then you got it. You're safe. Okay. And what you need to do is when if you do it's in second gear. Okay. You do it in second gear. That's where you start, second gear.
Okay.
Then go to third gear. Check your joystick to make your reel spin. Make sure it's not grinding.
Okay.
Okay. Then if it's not grinding on your shifter deal, go back to second. Check it again.
Okay.
If no grinding occurs, go to first. Check it again.
Okay.
If no grinding occurs, you got it. It's readjusted. Now, if you go from second to third and it grinds, then you do the exact same thing that I told you to do, except in third gear. Okay? Then you check all the gears again.
Okay.
As long as you don't get any grinding, you're okay. But say like if you go back to second and check it and it's not grinding, okay, then you go back to first and check it and it's grinding, then you do the same sequence that you did in second and third in first in the same way, and then check it and make sure it's not grinding. Now once you do that, it'll be adjusted.
Okay.
To be honest with you, that's how you want to adjust it. You want to start in second, okay? Adjust it to where it's not grinding.
Okay.
Then go to third.
Okay.
Adjust it where it's not grinding. If it's not grinding, don't touch it. Leave it be. Then come back to second, check it again, and then go to first and check to see if there's any grinding. If there's no grinding, you have it. It's completely adjusted.
Okay.
But as the first sequence will always be second,
Okay.
then third, then back to second, and then first. And you check for grinding in each gear.
Okay.
Most of the time, not every time, but 99% of the time, once you get second and third adjusted, everything else is going to be adjusted. But you still want to check it just to be sure.
Okay.
And once you do that, I mean, that's all you can do. That'll adjust it.
Then we're going to put it back together.
Okay, then when you put it back together, of course you put it back together, rod in, Carter pin in, tighten set screw, okay, 7/16, 11/16, turn it till it goes on to the shift rod, and then tighten jam nut, and you got it.
Good deal.